Hey friends! Today we're gonna learn the letter D.
Alfi, Alfi, come and play. Jump and laugh and learn
All right,
today.
is everybody ready?
Letters,
Let's get started.
numbers,
Today, Danny's going to show us how to write the letter D.
Alfi's here just for
Danny,
you.
can you come here, please? Let's write the big letter D together, kids. Start at the top and draw a straight line down. Then, go back to the top and make a big curve, like half a circle, from the top to the bottom. That's a big D. All right, now let's write the small letter D. Start by making a small circle. Then, draw a straight line going up from the right side of the circle, and bring it all the way down. That's your little D. Great job, Danny. You wrote the letters so nicely. Now you can go back to your seat. Okay, kids, now it's time to call Alfie. Alfie!
I'm ready, teacher.
You're awesome, Alfie. Now I want you to give us 3 words that start with the letter D.
Dog, dog. Drum, drum. Deer, deer.
You're amazing, Alfie. Now, how about a little quiz for our friends?
Alfi,
All right, kids, now it's
Alfi,
your turn.
Come and play. Jump and laugh
Cat?
and learn
Or is it a dog?
today. Letters, numbers,
Awesome. Dog starts with the letter D.
Alfi's here just Alfi, Alfi,
Deer
come and play. Jump and laugh
or a
and
lion.
learn today.
Awesome.
Letters,
Deer starts with the letter D.
colors too.
See you next time with a new letter. Bye-bye, kids.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you next time with the letter E. Goodbye.